So what changes if we draw on Gramsci's concept of hegemony? I think what comes clearer into focus is that throughout the pandemic, what we had in Germany was very much an appeal to common sense. And coercion was only used when it could really not be avoided anymore. And of course, the concept of hegemony would also make us aware of all the compromises that were made during the pandemic, where basically the government, you could say, was also anticipating already widespread resistance to certain measures and therefore didn't put these measures into practice. Remember this one Christmas, for example, at a time, I think it was the first COVID winter, and you weren't supposed to meet with more than 2 people from different households. These rules were actually abandoned over the Christmas holidays for the very reason that everybody in the government knew very well that people would either not abide by these rules anyway, or that there would be widespread dissatisfaction if these rules were strictly enforced, quite apart from the fact that it would have been very impossible to enforce them, because you basically would have had police patrolling on Christmas Eve and the first and second holiday and look into people's private homes. So the official narrative therefore was, well, if you accept all of these restrictions, not meeting with members from different households in the weeks before Christmas, then we can relax things a little bit over Christmas. So there was a classic compromise at work there in order to make the government not lose the support of the majority of the people in the measures to fight the pandemic.